If you have ADD, you're probably pulling your hair out, saying, how can I stop blaming myself? How can I stop beating myself up? It's been so hard. Well, I'm Lara Honos-Webb, and in my books, The Gift of ADHD and The Gift of Adult ADD, you can learn to stop blaming yourself. It's simple. What if the fact that it's hard for you to listen meant not that you weren't engaged with other people, but rather that you were listening on a different level, that you were tuning in to different things? One of my favorite quotes by Emerson is when he says, "I cannot hear what you're saying because who you are is speaking so loudly." It's a deeper sort of connection, so stop beating yourself up about it. What if you said, I'm going to stop beating myself up because I can't pay attention, because I get distracted easily, and you said, I have a great imagination, I'm creative. Instead of focusing on little details, I focus on big pictures and big solutions. These are great gifts, and you can stop beating yourself up for them and blaming yourself. What if your hyperactivity was nothing more than exuberance? Doesn't the world need people who have lots of energy, that have lots of excitement, that bring lots of great things to the world? Of course we do. I think of the story I heard about Rachel Ray, that the way that she was discovered was because she just brought so much exuberance to what she did. And she even said, I have the least amount of expertise in some of these areas, but it was her exuberance. And yet we try to tell our children, if we're parents or if we're adults, that this is not a good thing, that we need to calm it down. What if we also said that instead of being defiant, you were self-reliant? Sometimes people don't follow the rules because they have a great potential for leadership. What if that was you? What if there's nothing wrong with you? We need people to challenge systems and to challenge structures. What about recklessness? Do you beat yourself up for that? But remember, in order to get results that nobody else gets, you have to be willing to take risks that nobody else will. And of course, by definition, taking a risk means that sometimes it will work and it may not. But you still don't have to blame yourself if it doesn't work out, because that's the meaning of a risk. You just took a risk, and sometimes that's what it takes to get to the next level, to create results that no one else has been able to create before. So if this has been helpful and you want more tips and tools, you can find them at addisagift.com.